Such beautiful colors and shapes of these wildflowers.
So many
Lovely purple
colors
color.
of the
This is Meena
wildflowers.
Gandhi, my friends. Good morning. I just went out for a walk and
Nature's
noticed
beauty is
all the
amazing.
beautiful wildflowers. So I thought I'll share it with you. The size and the shape of these flowers created by nature is amazing. So sweet, so cute. Look at this one here. Look, so beautiful. I just enjoy watching nature.
This is like more like pollen.
This is more like
So windy out.
beauty of nature that I enjoy every morning. See the color, purple color. It's
Beautiful purple color
gorgeous.
of the wildflower.
Wow. And look at
These are like
these,
maroon.
kind of maroon,
So many.
purple,
Size
the
and
green
shape.
leaves.